In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage your schedule by setting up an out-of-office notification in Microsoft Outlook. This can be incredibly helpful for ensuring that your colleagues and clients are aware of your availability, especially when you need to be away from work for a period of time. Let's dive right in and go through this process step by step. First, you'll need to open Microsoft Outlook on your device. This is your go-to hub for managing emails, calendars, and all things related to your work schedule. Take a moment to locate it and open it up. Once you're in, your screen should look quite familiar, as this is where you'll manage your day-to-day communications and appointments. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand panel on your Outlook interface. You'll see a variety of icons here, including one that looks like a calendar. Click on Calendar. This is where we're going to set your out-of-office notification. Within the calendar, you'll be able to see all your scheduled commitments. Find the specific date you'll be out of office. Once you've identified the right date, double-click on it. This action will open a new window where you can input important details about your absence. Now that you have the new window open, you're going to give your appointment a meaningful title. In this case, simply label it Out of Office. Labeling helps to keep things organized, so make sure it's something easily recognizable. After giving it a title, look for the All Day option. Click on this to mark your absence for the entire day. You'll find this setting particularly helpful when you need to indicate that you won't be available for the full workday, not just a portion of it. Once All Day is selected, there's a key detail you need to adjust in the Options group of this window. You'll notice a drop-down that says Free by default. Change this option to Out of Office. This setting is crucial as it informs others who try to book your time that you won't be available, blocking off your schedule for any meetings or appointments. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully set up your out-of-office notification in Microsoft Outlook. This simple but effective tool ensures that anyone seeking your time is aware of your absence and can plan accordingly. Remember to save these final changes before closing the window. I hope you found this guide helpful. By taking these small steps, you can dramatically improve the efficiency of your work scheduling and keep everyone in the loop about your availability. Thanks for watching, and until next time, make sure your calendar is working just as hard as you are.